Welcome to our scissors sharpening tutorial. In this brief introduction, we'll cover the essential steps to sharpening these tools with precision using the RX Honing Sharpening System. Let's get started. Scissors have different angles and require specific sharpening techniques. Use a guide initially if available, but eventually you can sharpen without it by aligning the edge with the wheel's light and closing any gaps. Start from the back of the scissor blade and move to the tip, ensuring even sharpening. Flip the scissors and repeat the process. Check for burrs and remove them gently using finger and thumb pressure. Serrated scissors are sharpened similarly, but avoid using the diamond wheel to preserve the serrations. Use the rubber wheel for maintaining serrations. Scissors should be sharpened along the entire blade length, not just the tip, to maintain consistency and effectiveness. By following these instructions, you can effectively maintain and sharpen dental instruments like elevators and scissors.